Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Gold Auto Trading EA by Ali Kazi on MK5. This EA is priced at 150 bucks and markets itself as a hedge plus scalping expert advisor for MT5, focused especially on gold. It looks promising on paper for smaller accounts, but as always, we're gonna dig in, test it, and see if it actually delivers. Stick around because the backtest results might surprise you. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, alright, let's start with what the developer actually says on the page. It is built on a combination of hedging and scalping strategies designed to handle different market conditions with structured risk management. The EA combines hedge trading with short-term scalping so it can manage multiple positions dynamically instead of relying on just one trade. The idea is to open positions and use hedging to balance things out when the market moves against you and aim to close trades at break even or better whenever conditions allow. This approach is supposed to help handle market fluctuations while keeping overall exposure under control. It's compatible with forex pairs, supports cryptocurrency pairs through MT5 broker, and you can run it on multiple symbols at once. There's a recommended minimum deposit of $2,000, and the main recommendation is for gold USD. There's historical optimization shows possible drawdowns up to around 20% depending on settings and market conditions. The developer emphasizes that it's optimized for cent accounts. 2. Making it accessible if you are starting smaller while still trying to keep risk under control. There's no crazy promises of millions overnight, which is refreshing, but they do highlight the flexibility and automated execution. Now, looking at the key features there is hedge plus scalping combined strategy, works on forex and crypto, optimized for cent accounts, adjustable risk and loss sizing, break even, and basket trade management, fully automated and flexible settings for different account size. I've got a risk disclaimer right there stating trading involves risk, no guarantees, results vary by market, broker, and your settings. I recommend testing the EA on demo first, using proper risk management, and starting conservative. That is solid advice from the developer. Now, right, let's talk real results. The developer only shows pictures of trades taken on his mobile trading app, and even then, still doesn't look good enough. Let's go over to my backtest results. I ran it on Gold USD on M30 time frame from June 1st, 2025 to June 1st, 2026 with a leverage of 1 is to 100. And for the backtest results, absolutely disappointing. Zero net profit, zero trades taking, zero deals. Basically, the EA refused to work. Equity curve Completely flat, straight horizontal line across the whole period, no dip, no rise, no nothing. Fully disappointing. No entries at all. History quality was 99%, over 12,000 bars, but the EA just sat there doing nothing. Drawdowns, absolute and relative, also zero because nothing happened. Compare that with the developer's claim of up to 20% drawdown on gold with profitable hedging and scalping. Big difference. Now in my test on Euro USD, it didn't trigger once, which makes me think the filters might be pretty strict or is highly optimized for specific gold conditions. Honestly, the thing is, this kind of hedge scalper can work in choppy ranging markets by grabbing small moves and recovering with opposites. When strong trends or doing news on gold, it can stack positions fast and lead to painful drawdowns. Realistic verdict: the EA is probably best for patient traders with small cent accounts who are willing to forward test it extensively on gold demo, monitor it, and accept periods of no activity or potential recovery swings. If you hate watching equity bounce around or need consistent action, this might not be for you. It's definitely not a plug and play for perform challenges or hands off big accounts. Who should avoid this EA? Beginners without experience managing hedge EAs and anyone expecting reliable scalping profits right away. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to test next. Also, don't forget to grab that free robot with tons of indicators and patterns from the description below. It is a solid starting point for beginners and even for advanced traders. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.